Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Physics for Engineers topics, Chapter 10, Optics. So, padayon lang kita. Number 3, a beam of light has a wavelength of 650 Newton in vacuum. So, wavelength lambda. Wavelength 650 Newton in vacuum, usually lambda O. Kita nyo yung mga formulas. Sa amot hiya itong lambda O. Lambda O. That is 650 Newton. So let's write it. Lambda O. The wavelength in vacuum is 650 nanometer. Mga hiranin hared 650 nanometer. And then what is the speed of this light in a liquid? So the question is in here. At a particular, what is the speed? V. So V iton pakiana, V velocity at a liquid. So velocity at a liquid whose index of refraction at this wavelength is 1.47. The index of refraction is notified as n. N here didi. N. So given that your n, the index of refraction, n is equal to given here, no unit, because this is a ratio of vacuum over in the media, kung anot nga media nga ginistoryahan. Okay, so n here, n is 1.47, no unit, is 1.47. So I think ang pinaka first nga mga equation yung makikita dida, which is the n, which is c all over v. The speed of light in vacuum, this is a constant. This is the speed of light in vacuum, that is 2.998, constant ito ya. 2.9979 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. This is the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, so init imo pakiana. So check in here, adi isa substitute nimo adi, then you have v. Mo kung compute dahil nimo v, di mo pa kailangan adi. So because you have the index of refraction, so v is equal to c all over, of course, n. We substitute c, 2.9979 times 10 to the 8 meters per second all over your index of refraction, 1.47. Easy peasy. So that would give you 2.9979 exponent 8 divided by 1.47. So dapat mahina in here. So that is 2.04 in three significant figures. 2.04, of course, times 10 to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2.04 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. That is the velocity of a particular light. I think this light is almost red. Pamati ko adin hiya mga yellow ini 650. 700 kasi nimo red, if I'm not mistaken, of course. What is the wavelength of these waves? What is the wavelength of these waves in liquid? Wavelength of these waves in liquid. Wavelength. So if wavelength ito yung problema, wavelength is so that would be ini lambda all over, lambda in vacuum all over n. So very easy. So that would be a 650 nanometer all over 1.47. And the answer is 650 divided by 1.47. That is 442 in three significant figures. 442 nanometer. Okay? I think double check. 2.04 times 10 to the 8 and 442 nanometer. Thank you guys for listening.